Hello and welcome to Twinkl Kids TV. In today's video, we're going to draw some fabulous waves. Grab some paper and a pencil and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Are you ready? Let's surf the waves! Lightly sketch out a wave, curving a line up, then the underside. And again, curve top of the wave, swoop down to do the bottom. Now a massive wave at the back, curve over and then sharp down. Create a lip on each wave by joining the curve to the tip. Imagine it like a dog's tongue shape. This is the top of the wave that is beginning to break. Great job! That's the sketching done. Let's find out a bit more about waves. Waves are formed by the wind. The wind blows the surface of the water, which creates a circular motion within the wave. This circular motion creates the waves. Get your strong drawing pencil or pen ready so we can complete our wave drawing. Draw over the curve of the wave. Now add a bit extra to complete the curve. At the lip of the wave, make circular shapes and bumps of different sizes to create the froth. Keep going round the lip of the wave, adding cloud-like bumps and layers to give it depth. Join the front to the curve and then do the underside of the wave. Next wave. Go over the curve, then add on a little extra. Create froth at the lip of the wave with lots of circular shapes. Follow the line of the lip and make different sizes of bumps. Imagine that frothy, foamy wave. Join the lip to the curve and do the underside. Now for the biggest wave. Over the curve and this time create 2 extra bits. Like the other waves, at the lip create lots of bubble shapes to make the white froth. Sometimes the circles will almost join up. Other times just make the start of a curve. Keep it random and fun to make your wave as epic as possible. Go all the way around the tip and finish with some curly flourishes. A straight line back to the curve and a smooth underside. This picture has lots of curves and circular shapes. Hopefully each of your waves looks unique. Some will be fierce and strong, others will be more gentle and creative. Now we're going to add some detail. Add extra bumps in varying sizes over the biggest wave. Now add circles to make bubbles and pops of water. Make some tiny and some larger. Add a couple to the bottom of the wave. Add bubbles to the smaller waves to make it look like spray is coming off them. Add extra lines to the curve to show how the water rises over the curve before it becomes froth. Vary the size of your lines so it looks natural. Draw lines up the base of the wave to show how the water is sucked up to create it. Do you remember the circular motion of the wind? You're drawing how it works just now. Do the same on the biggest wave. Draw lines to show the curve underneath the wave so you can see how strong it is. Make some lines longer and some shorter. Add some lines that are closer together and other lines that are further apart. Now add extra lines to the top of the curve. This shows how the wind is blowing the waves into existence. Now you have a beautiful wave scene. You can add colour, clouds and more details to bring your picture to life. If you've enjoyed drawing your waves, remember to like and subscribe so you can see what we are going to draw next. Watch this video again if you missed any bits. Are you ready to go surf your waves? We're waving goodbye. Get it? Waving. See you next time.